Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the circle of fifths for chord progressions. This powerful tool visually organizes all 12 musical keys, making it easy to see their relationships. Understanding its structure is your first step. Each step clockwise adds a sharp to the key signature, while moving counterclockwise adds a flat. This simple pattern unlocks a world of harmonic possibilities for your music. Once you grasp the basics, you can start building compelling chord progressions. A common and effective technique is to use chords that are adjacent on the circle. For instance, the classic I Roman 4V progression, a cornerstone of countless songs, is easily found. You can also apply these principles to minor keys, discovering their unique harmonic pathways and creating rich, emotional soundscapes. Ready to take your progressions further? The circle of fifths helps you explore more advanced techniques. Try borrowing chords from a relative major or minor key to add unexpected color. You can also introduce secondary dominant chords to create tension and a strong pull towards a new harmony. This allows for smooth modulation, moving your music to entirely new keys with confidence and creativity. The best way to master the circle of fifths is through consistent practice and exploration. Don't be afraid to experiment with different starting points and chord combinations. Pay close attention to how each chord movement impacts the emotional feel of your music. Remember, the more you play, the more intuitive it becomes. Also, check the description for a link to some great deals, including a fantastic recommendation for durable socks. Keep creating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.